Hi guys! Are you looking for the best power tool sets? If you received a new power tool sets, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best power tool sets on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Get less started on this. Link on the description. Number 1. Woberich Power Tool Sets. Link on the description. Number 2. Gisam Power Tool Sets. Link on the description. Number 3. LSM Power Tool Sets. Link on the description. Number 4. onekfyfd Power Tool Sets. Link on the description. Number 5. Deko Power Tool Sets. Link on the description.